As an instructor, I need to be able to prepare for lectures, but also, everyone has to interview for a job at some point. You not only need your technical skills for whatever job you need, but you also need the soft skills. PrepTalk helps you prepare for the latter. Users of PrepTalk can record themselves talking, and their platform will give users a report on how they performed. Let's see how the developers of PrepTalk created it.
Hi, my name is Daphne, and with me today are Austin, Michael, and Peter to present to you PrepTalk. Now, let's go through a typical scene before an interview. Your palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy, arms spaghetti. You're nervous, and it shows. Well, luckily, we created just the thing to help you ace your next interview. Introducing PrepTalk, an online platform that allows candidates to practice interviewing through video recordings and help them build the confidence they need to successfully answer the most common interview prompts. After recording a session, our built-in transcriber will analyze your speech. Along with verbal communication, nonverbal cues play an essential role in how you will be evaluated. For this reason, we decided to focus our efforts on facial expression feedback. With PrepTalk, our machine learning models detect facial expressiveness and map the various emotions that you may unintentionally display. Now, here's Austin to walk you through a demonstration.
Thank you, Daphne. Here's Peter, a solemn dude, looking to add some pep to his interviewing skills. He starts off by logging to his account, navigating to the self-recording page, and naming his session for easier identification later. Peter can then record himself elaborating on the optional prompt or speaking freely as he chooses for a set length of time. Once he finishes, he's brought to his video and plays it back, allowing the machine learning algorithm to analyze his facial expressions and transcribe his speech into a transcript. Facial and transcription data are represented by the donut chart and word cloud respectively, comprising the full report. Given this information, Peter is better educated on his negative speech patterns and mannerisms that may come up when put on the spot during an interview. To talk about the tech stack that was composed of PrepTalk, here's Michael.
Thanks, Austin. We built PrepTalk using a variety of technologies. For our front end, we chose to use React, Redux, and D3 for an interactive user experience. We wanted to keep relations between users and their videos, facial expressions, and transcripts, so we chose to use SQLize, Postgres, and Node.js. In order to analyze facial expressions, we utilize FaceAPI.js. FaceAPI.js has a powerful 68-point landmark detection algorithm, which allows it to accurately determine whether a user is happy, sad, along with a few other expressions. This data was stored in our database and parsed to generate an average of the most frequently occurring facial expressions per video. Other technologies include OpenTalk SDK, which allowed us to securely archive and record videos, and Google's speech-to-text, which allowed us to accurately transcribe audio. And now here's Solemn Peter.
Haha, thanks, Michael. As one can see, we had to integrate an array of web applications into one seamless user experience. For instance, Amazon S3 stores videos recorded by OpenTalk, but Google Cloud stores the audio files transcoded from the S3 videos. Our biggest challenge was implementing transcription with the Google Speech-to-Text API, which required us to ensure proper permissions access among the various parts. With the advent of technology and the changing ways we connect and interact, PrepTalk focuses on building in-depth interpersonal skills, which are becoming increasingly valued in today's workforce. And so if you'd like to learn more about PrepTalk, please visit our site. We had a great time as we tested and collected a wide variety of facial expression data, and we hope it's just as useful for the job candidates. Thank you for joining us, and good luck.
I could have used this many times throughout my college and professional career. One of the biggest things that is starting to get a lot of attention, as what Peter alluded to, in the tech industry, is soft skills. And PrepTalk can help with that. What's really impressive is the multitude of tech that you learned and used in such a small period of time, specifically S3. S3 is notoriously hard to work with, but combine it with tech like D3, OpenTalk, Google Cloud Storage, machine learning models, all things that we don't teach them here in the core curriculum is quite amazing. Thanks again for your demo, PrepTalk, and for those of you watching, if you have an interview lined up soon, check them out.